Hello fellas, this is Alin with the R6. Welcome to another video and welcome back to my channel. As you probably noticed in front of me, I'm back on the Little Red. She came back after a long wait and arguing with the insurance company. It took roughly 7 months, but hey, she's back, she's all done. And what I'm gonna do today is I've taken it for a spin. We'll go to Box Hill. I'll meet with Sebastian from Choose to Go, and he's gonna help me to take a few nice shots of the Little Red. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. I missed this little girl. I've missed the quick shifter. Sebastian's already here. Alin with the R6. I am with the Little Red riding hood up for a spin, and we are in a beautiful place at Box Hill. So in today's video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you after a 7-month battle with the insurance companies, and show you what they've done on the bike. And I'm glad to have you back. So if you guys have watched my previous Scotland videos and seen the crash with the Little Red, so she has been knocked off on this side here and crashed this fairing here, the tank cover, the handguard, crash bar, indicator, and top box and the near side pannier. So she is in great shape. She's been all fixed, but a 7-month battle with the insurance company I don't wish to anyone. There is Sebastian with the Hulk. He's coming to join me here. So yeah, she is in great shape. Rides really well. They have also replaced the rear tire. Didn't need doing, but because she's been knocked over on this side, they have replaced the rear tire. They replaced the bearings, the swing arm bearings, quite a lot actually. Hello Sebi.
Hello.
How are you, mate?
Not bad.
Hulk looks good. We had to go from the viewpoint. Unfortunately, we've been told off. We're not allowed to put the bikes there, I'm afraid. So we stopped literally on the side of the road, and look at that view. I mean, I'm gonna go through the from them turns in a second, and Sebastian, say hello. he's gonna follow me with the drone, hopefully. Look at this beauty, eh?
You're all I need. I wish to be deep in your love. I can't get enough. Why don't you run to me? I crave your company. Can't stay away from you. There's nothing I won't do. Our souls are made of flames. Our heart is in your name. Was it all just a game? Do you feel the same? Was it all just a game? Or do you feel the
I hope you enjoyed this little video, guys, and if you did, make sure you smash that thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, ride safe, ride with me. Cheerio.